Beta ji, we come to the next topic which is given in additional learning in your book, that is in vitro fertilization or IVF, or you can say test tube baby. This is very common terms nowadays. Some of you have heard about this IVF. You have seen the various IVF centers also, it is written. So what is IVF? IVF is called in vitro fertilization. In vitro means outside the body. You know that in the human being, the fertilization is internal. The fusion of male gamete sperm and the female gamete ova occurs inside the female body in the fallopian tube or the oviduct. But sometimes the female is not able to conceive in the normal way. There may be some problem. There may be that the ovary is not able to produce the ova properly, develop ova properly. Secondly, there may be ओविडक्ट ब्लॉक. अगर फेलोपियन ट्यूब या ओविडक्ट ही ब्लॉक होंगी, देन इन दैट केस ओवरी ओवा तो प्रोड्यूस कर रही हैं, बट इट कैन नॉट पास बिकॉज द फेलोपियन ट्यूब इज ब्लॉक्ड. इन दैट केस फ्यूजन कैन नॉट बी पॉसिबल. स्पर्म कैन नॉट फ्यूजेस द ओवा. थर्ड केस, maybe in the case of male the sperm production is less, the number of sperm is less. So any case may be there. In this type of situation, the female is not able to conceive in normally. So the doctor advised to go for IVF or the test tube baby techniques. In this, what happens? First of all, if the ovary is not able to produce the ova, develop ova properly, in that case there is stimulation of ovaries is given. That is, we stimulate the ovary to produce ova by medicines or by the injections. So if the fallopian tubes are blocked, it can be normal. In the normal cases can be opened by the normal surgery. But if it is not open, if it is permanently blocked, in that case the ova is taken directly from the ovary. The doctor does a cut on the abdomen of the female, and through a machine the ova is taken from the ovary and it is fuses with the sperm. Sperm is also taken from the men's semen and it is fused in a tube or in a dish. That's why the name is given test tube babies, because the fusion or the fertilization occurs outside the body in a tube. So the egg is taken from the ovary and the sperm is taken from the male, and the fusion occur outside the body. And then when the egg is fertilized by the sperm, it is observed under the microscope. It is seen that the zygote is formed. Then it is kept in the conditions which is required for the formation of embryo, normal conditions. When the embryo is formed, it is kept under the observation, and after 1 week, approximately 5 days, it is implanted inside the mother's womb or the mother uterus. Then the female can go for the pregnancy test after 10 to 15 days. Then it is found that the pregnancy test is positive. It means that the proper implantation occur inside the mother's womb. After that, the female give birth to a child, normal healthy child like the other female. The developing embryo take the nutrition, everything in the normal way from the mother, and it delivers, mother deliver after the development after 9 months. So this is called the in vitro fertilization, in which the female which is not able to give birth the child normally due to some complication, they can give birth the child by the in vitro fertilization. Sometimes it is not necessary, it occurs. Sometimes it is failed in first attempt, then the second and the third attempt may be taken. Okay, beta ji, we have done the chapter. So you have to read the chapter. If you will find any difficulty, we will discuss. Thank you. Have a nice day.